Let's make a curry oxtail soup in the pressure cooker. Cut up 3 small potatoes, 1 carrot, 1 red pepper, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 large onion. Season one side of your oxtails with salt, pepper, and curry powder. Brown your oxtails and season the other side with the same seasonings. In your pressure cooker, saute your veggies for a few minutes. Season with salt, pepper, and curry powder. Saute for another minute. Now add a little beef bouillon, 1 cup of water, and 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Add 1 small bag of frozen mixed vegetables. Place your oxtails into the pressure cooker. Now add the potatoes on top. Cover and cook for 1 hour. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.